What is sandblasting?
Also known as abrasive blasting. Sandblasting is a surface finishing process that involves the use of a powered machine, typically an air compressor as well as a sandblasting machine.
What is painting?
Painting is the practice of applying paint, pigment, color, or another medium to a solid surface. This can be done after sandblasting.
What is LEL?
The lower explosive limit, LEL, is the minimum concentration of vapor, gases, and dust in air below which propagation of flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition. The lower explosive limit varies from gas to gas, but for most flammable gases it is less than 5% by volume. This means that it takes a relatively low concentration of gas or vapor to produce a high risk of explosion.
What is UEL?
Upper explosive limits, UEL, is the maximum proportion of vapor, gases, and dust in the air above which proposal the flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition. Upper explosive limits are the maximum concentrations of a gas or vapor in the atmosphere that is able to generate a flash or a fire in the presence of an ignition source. A gas or vapor that has a higher concentration than the upper explosive limit will not be able to burn as it will be too rich.
What is manual handling?
The term manual handling covers a wide variety of activities including lifting, lowering, pushing, pulling, and carrying. If any of these tasks are not carried out appropriately, there is a risk of injury. Manual handling causes over a third of all workplace injuries. These include work-related musculoskeletal disorders, MSDs, such as pain and injuries to arms, legs, and joints, and repetitive strain injuries of various sorts.
What is housekeeping?
Housekeeping is not just cleanliness. It includes keeping work areas neat and orderly, maintaining halls and floors free of slip and trip hazards, and removing waste materials. For example, paper, cardboard, and other fire hazards from work areas. Good housekeeping is also a basic part of incident and fire prevention.
What is personal protective equipment?
Personal protective equipment, commonly referred to as PPE, is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. Personal protective equipment may include items such as gloves, safety glasses and shoes, earplugs or muffs, hard hats, respirators, or coveralls, vests, and full body suits.
What is grinding?
Grinding is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel as the cutting tool.
What is crane?
A crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes or chains, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally.
What is a forklift?
A forklift is a small industrial vehicle, having a power-operated forked platform attached at the front that can be raised and lowered for insertion under a cargo to lift or move it. Forklifts serve the needs of various industries including warehouses and other large storage facilities.
These questions and answers will be available for free download in the link below. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check the other videos for this series related to questions and answers for a safety professional job interview. In the description, you can find the link for the other videos of this series.